Wildlife Conservation Convention, organized ahead of the World Wildlife Day, aims to discuss challenges affecting wildlife conservation efforts and forge ways out. Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities Tom Botime, who officiated this event, emphasized the need for wildlife financing to support families living around protected areas.
To the increasing human needs that largely depend on nature. However, for nature to be able to sustain the growing human needs, nature must be maintained in a healthy state, and this requires investments as well as adequate and sustainable financing.
The European Union Ambassador to Uganda, His Excellency Jan Sadek, has reaffirmed the EU's commitment to supporting key stakeholders in promoting ecotourism.
In these landscapes, the EU will support job creation, improved security and sustainable livelihoods while preserving ecosystems and wildlife. The activities supported under Natura Africa complement efforts by key stakeholders as the government of Uganda, NGOs and other donors.
During the event, a strategic action plan for large carnivore conservation was launched. The country director of the Worldwide Fund for Nature Uganda, Ivan Tomuhimbise, revealed that the plan aims to provide alternative community enterprises to curb illegal wildlife trade.
Promoting community enterprises or enterprises that can indeed create opportunities for young people, and also discouraging them for instance, incentives of poaching, but also addressing illegal wildlife trade.
The Executive Director, Uganda Wildlife Authority, Dr. James Musinguzi, acknowledged the timeliness of the plan, citing alarming levels of carnivore depletion across the country.
The lion populations in the Lake Mburo, Torosemliki and Pianope wildlife reserves have recently been extirpated to extinction, unfortunately, and the population in Chidepo Valley National Park is at the verge of a non-viable population and threatened with extinction as well. Cheetahs still occur in very small numbers in Chidepo Valley National Park and Pianope Wildlife Reserve.
The convention was held under the theme Wildlife Conservation Finance, Investing in People and Planet. Mary Namkose, Kenneth Sonko, UBC News.